नमस्कार, नमस्ते, नमस्कारा, वनक्कम, खुशामदीद, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, మీకందరికీ వందనము, जय स्वामी नारायण, जय श्री कृष्णा, जय जनेन्द्र। इनको समझ सारे इस्माइली भाई बदल बोलेंगे, या अली मदद, मौलाली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजे मतलब बोलेंगे, नीसा बुला जन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे। मैं से फालतू बाबा एंड ऑफ कोर्स आज लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए बड़जन वन मोर शो व्हिच इज डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल द वंडरफुल वुमेन आउट देयर एंड वुमेन इन आवर इंडस्ट्री बड़जन। काफी सारे काफी सारे शोज कर लिए मार्च में, टॉकिंग अबाउट डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ हाउ इंडियन सिनेमा हैज नॉट बीन डूइंग दिस, बीइंग doing that, and pointing fingers at this, but हाँ वो सब है यार, लेकिन फिर भी we also have to celebrate some of the other things in Indian cinema. That is of course recognizing the fact that women are there and trying to make an impact in the world, or the man's world, what they say. But things are changing, Banjan. A lot of things are changing right now. Yes, thanks to all the wonderful directors who are there right now. The new crop of directors are pretty much very good, very interesting, movies they've given us. What? You don't know who the women directors are in the industry? Let's see, Banjan. Now, there's going to be an open challenge throughout the show today. The challenge is, you're going to give me a call and you're going to share with me women directors, okay, from the industry. So I have a list of the popular few, right? When I say popular few, I really say popular few. There are only going to be like around 3 or 4 names, which definitely people will remember to definitely say. Unless, of course, you actually have gone deeper into the movie, or the movie touched your life, or whatever it is, you would probably remember the director. Otherwise, movie makers में movie directors जो होती है ना, जो निर्देशक होते हैं, उनका जो काम जो है, you might enjoy it, but you might not know it was a woman director, right? That's something which we have seen. And there was a time, I believe, when people used to actually go watch a movie based on the director of the movie, right? Now, is that happening nowadays? I don't know. I have not done that thus far. I've tried to keep my, oh, I'm sorry, but there's a lot of noise going on there. I'm trying to keep, my bad, Baraja, my bad. There you go, it's still coming up right now. There you go. Now, the thing is, there is still a lot of stuff going on right now in the world, wherein, well, at least right now, in my case at least, when I'm actually going to watch a movie, I don't actually go and see who the movie maker is and all stuff. Yeah, I would try to go get to know about it, probably, and I would probably see if I could, relate to one of those storylines is being said. That's it. I don't actually go deeper into the fact that, okay, his car, hey, इसलिए मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. There used to be a time. Well, actually, no. I don't think I ever did that. I started watching movies only in the millennium, unfortunately, Indian movies, and I have not actually done that thus far. Being from the line of radio, of course, we can't take sides, and we got to be fair to people. We got to be giving everybody an opportunity to see if they can do a good movie. Marjan. We'll come back and bash it up later. Rather than finish it. वो तो हम करते रहते हैं always. लेकिन आज का show, we're not going to bash up anybody, but we're actually going to show to you guys, like, how Indian women have actually had a prominent role not a prominent role, have actually tried to be there in the technical world of movie making, Manjan. They have actually been there for quite some time. Now, here's the first trivia I'm throwing out to you guys. Let's make it a challenge. Let's make it a trivia challenge. If you actually don't know the answer to it, it's still okay. If you Google it, I am still happy about it. Now, let us see if Indian cinema is almost industry. The cinema industry is almost, it's 113 years, I guess, because 2011 they celebrated close to around 110 years of existence since the first movie was made and everything, right? Now, in this whole thing, there have been many generations who actually have taken on the baton of trying to keep this thing going. You have many banners which actually span decades. One of the things which I can definitely think about is Navketan banners, who actually been there for so many years, right? The Kapoors had their own banner which they used to forward across. Now, many things have changed. There are new people coming in. The Dharma Productions have always been there. The Yash Raj have always been there. Wonderful. They've given us wonderful movies for so many years. I don't know, close to 50, 60 years, suppose. And yes, apart from the movie makers, we also have directors who actually have had who are giving us some wonderful movies. And of course, not to mention the people on screen, right? On screen, तो हमारे काफी सारे heroes हैं जो actually have lasted for like 3 to 4 decades, and some of them actually are still going pretty strong in this decade as well. I'm talking about the Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and everybody else, right? They actually have overtaken even the people, the likes of the Dilip Kumar and everybody else, who actually also had quite a long stint of existence in the industry. Now, let's do this. Aaj, since we're talking about the women, as this is the Mahila March, we're going to focus on the movie directors, women directors of Indian cinema. Women directors jo hai, the trivia I wanted to throw to you guys is towards you guys. As actually see if you guys can tell me, when was the first, who do you think was the first women director in the Indian cinema? Now you can Google this also. I allow you to, I always tell people, it's okay to go search. It's just becoming resourceful. That's it, right? So just don't do it while you're driving. Yeah, so don't do it while you're driving. Probably park the car, look it up, and then give us a call here. Number to call here is 408-912-2479. Kiski baat kar rahe hain? There were actually a few women, a couple of women who actually were who are really daring enough to actually take on the role of a director at that time. And if you can give me the era also, it's fine. If you can give me the time when they probably would have been there, आप एक तुक्का भी मार सकते हो, आप एक call करो यार, because today is all about women directors and everything, right? Tell me who was the first female director in the industry for us. Number to call here 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. Again 408-912-2479 number to call here, Barjan. Well, this is going to be a question I'm going to ask you guys, but I also will do this, Banujan, wherein I'm going to be presenting some nice songs for you guys. And let us see if you guys can identify who the movie makers of these particular movies are also, right? Number to call 408-912-2479. Now, ये एक नया film आया था a couple of years ago, and this is something which I want to ask you whether you've seen the movie first of all, right? If you've seen the movie, give us a call here and tell me which movie it is. And I also want to ask you whether you know who the director of this particular movie is. Number to call 408-912-2479. What I have seen is women actually are giving us some very good stories. Very good creative stories have been given out. And some of them actually have had some really good start in the industry. They have been, they have started their careers as screenwriters and everything. So basically they have been there, they know the trade, and then they've gone into direction. And I think it has helped. So we have some good quality cinema coming out of our Indian cinema industry, which are, I'm proud to say that all are women directed movies. So ये गाना सुनिएगा, बताएगा कौन से फिल्म का है, and if you can tell me who the director of the movie is, which I doubt you will know, right? Give us a call 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
आसमां पे जिंदा मैं एक परिंदा मैं चल चलूं जहां तू कहे रास्तों पे तेरा ही बन के हमराही चल चलूं जहां तू कहे आसमां पे जिंदा मैं एक परिंदा मैं चल चलूं जहां तू कहे छोटे से बहाने पे एक बुलावे पे चल चलूं जहां तू कहे साथ में जो बहे किनारे मिलेंगे कभी साथ में सिलसिले बढ़ा ले अगर तो क्या हो हम फिर तू चले तो होश खो के चल दूं मैं भी खुमार में तू चले तो चले मुसाफिर मैं तेरी खातिर मैं चल चलूं जहां तू कहे.
And of course, it's the voice of Papon and music by Rochak Kohli Barajan, lyrics by Hussain Haidari. And of course, this is a very nice movie. अगर आपने देखा नहीं तो बता दो Barajan, because today is going to be a day I think you're going to learn a lot about all the directors of our industry Barajan. Female directors of the industry are going to be featured today. And क्या आपने पहचाना नहीं कि कौन है ये? Wow, I'm surprised. Okay, here's the thing. So, how about I play another song, okay, from the same director, but a different movie. It's something which I want you guys to think about and give us a call here, 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. वैसे तो इन्होंने they've given us have been industry firm for the past 20 years already. Yes, 2002 में उनका पहला फिल्म आया था. And ये कौन है बताइएगा, because इन्होंने एक फिल्म की थी जहाँ पे Lucky Ali was featured in the movie. And this movie actually though was directed by this particular person. And ये previous गाना भी उन्हीं फिल्म का था, उनके ही फिल्म का था. And thing is, see, they've been there for 20 years but not given us so many movies. Why? What is wrong? And we don't know. Anyway, the first movie they're known for is a movie called Sur. Now, you guys think about it and give me a call. I told you who the singer of this particular song is, Lucky Ali. Lucky Ali का composition भी है मेरे ख्याल से. And you are tell me if you can identify who the female director, movie director था इस फिल्म का. The movie was called Sur. This movie, of course, Banjan, a very nice movie. At that time, I believe it did very well. 2002 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
अभी जा है सुबह अभी जा है सुबह अभी जा रात को कर विदा दिल रुबा अभी जा है सुबह अभी जा है सुबह अभी जा रात को कर विदा दिल रुबा अभी जा है सुबह अभी जा.
And of course, this voice, of course, is Lucky Ali. And Lucky Ali actually won the nomination for Filmfare Awards for the best male playback singer at that time. 2002 की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. And this गाने में, of course, you'll see hear one more voice. And the other voice, of course, the female version of the voice, which is Suriti Chauhan.
सीमा क्या है यूं तो तू है मेरी छाया तुझ में हो तेरा क्या है मैं हूँ गगन तू है ज़मीं अधूरी सी मेरे बिना रात को कर विदा
And of course, Bajan, if you know who we're talking about right now, Bajan, director, if you didn't know, doesn't matter. Stay tuned, I'll tell you who it is. हमके बाद थोड़ा बात करेंगे Bajan, of course. And आज है director special on the women director Wednesdays Bajan on the Pam Pam show. वैसे अगर आपको और हिंट चाहिए तो ये गाना जो है इट्स फ्रॉम मूवी कॉल्ड सुर and it just came out in 2002. Yes, and that's the debut directorial debut of this particular person, Manajan, and of course one of the female directors on my list today. It was a huge list I have, and yeah, something really worthy of mention. That's why I thought I should definitely talk about this particular director who actually has given us a few more movies. Even recently 2017 की बात है, उन्होंने एक जो पहला गाना पेश किया आप लोगों को, Manajan, was from her itself. And the movie name was Kareeb Kareeb Single. Yes, who is this director? Give us a call, 408-912-2479.
देखूं चाहे जिसको कुछ कुछ तुझसा दिखता क्यों है, जानू जानू ना मैं तेरा मेरा रिश्ता क्यों है, कैसे बेचैन है दिल मेरा तेरे बिना, रात को अलविदा दिल रुबा, भी जा आ भी जा आ भी जा, ऐ सुबह भी जा.
And of course, Bajan, this particular song, this movie was a hit at the time, Bajan. And of course, yes, the lyrics, M.M. Kareem and Nida Fazli were the people who actually got the lyrics, I suppose, and there was an award they won for this song as well. Now, उस ज़माने में तो ये गाना was very famous. You guys know about it. I have not seen the movie. Don't ask me why I haven't seen the movie. Probably because it had starring Lucky Ali, or whatever it is. But this particular movie was supposed to be very good. And this particular director की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग. I'm sure you guys don't know because you're obviously not calling me over here. Number again is 408-912-2479. हाँ आना जी, आप तो यही दो तीन बोल दिया आपने. लक बाय चांस की बात कर रहे हो. हाँ ओके ठीक है. Well, Pam Pam to all the women out there. Yes, women directors. Yes, I didn't know we have so much. Oh yeah, we do have quite a big list of women directors in our midst actually. So I will definitely go into those lists as well. लेकिन ये जो हैं जिन्होंने अभी ये फिल्म की थी, Tanuja Chandra actually is one of the very talented directors of Indian cinema. And see, the irony of the whole thing is, right, they are such wonderful directors, but dekha jaye to, not many movies have come up from these people. So you might wonder why, right? You'll wonder why, how come and all stuff. Yeah, even I also wonder why, but sometimes it also means that there are also the other aspects of it, which actually is people promoting the masala kind of movies and stuff like that. So Tanuja Chandra has supposedly given us some good movies. And as I told you, she started off with a directorial debut. If you look at it, actually speaking, she also has worked under the Yash Chopra banners. Yes, she's actually worked on the screenplay. And she was one of the people who co-wrote the Yash Chopra's famous movie, Dil To Pagal Hai. Yeah, and Dil To Pagal Hai co-write kiya tha unhone, and I think she also has done a few of the other women minority movies. Like I think Dushman is hers, 98, at the same time as Dil To Pagal Hai, next date came out. And then 2000, of course, she gave us, if I'm not mistaken, Shangarsh was one of her movies as well, where she's a director. But most recently, unka jo kaam tha, mujhe bahut acha laga, wo tha the movie which I talked about, which is the Kareeb Kareeb Single. If you haven't seen the movie, go see it for sure. It's worthwhile a watch. Tanuja Chandra is her name, and yes, the movie which she gave us 2 years ago was very nice. Hopefully there will be one more coming up. In fact, she was the person who made that movie in Millennium also, which is called as Zindagi Rocks. I don't know how many of you have seen this, but when I was actually doing the research on this particular topic, for the past 2-3 days, in fact, I've been trying to see, and ironically, even I am guilty of the fact that I haven't seen many of the movies which some of the, some of the female directors are. No, it is not something because I didn't go because it's female director. No, I just didn't know about it. And why? Because probably I should have paid more attention, or the fact that the media is playing this game with not letting us know about all these wonderful women directors. Now, here's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to play another nice song for you guys. So, आपको a bit and peppy गाना देंगे, and let us see if you guys can identify who is who could be the director of this particular movie, right? Well, standing question तो है आप लोगों को, they can identify who is the first female director of Indian cinema. Yeah, even if you give me the era, like what time, which era of which part of the century they were part of or they were involved in, that's fine also. Or you can just tell me when, at what point women became directors in Indian cinema also was fine. वो भी आपके लिए easy रहेगा because you don't have to worry about the dates or the names. Just give us a call here. 408-912-2479 408-912-2479. Again, 408-912-2479. Now, I'll play a song. You probably will know this song, but will not know which movie it is from. Here you go.
सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है। सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी बारी बारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है। चरणों में जो ना जगह पाऊं जी मैं, चरणों में जो ना जगह पाऊं जी मैं, तो मेरा जीना ही बेकार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है।
कौन है मर्जान? कौन हो सकता है? कौन सा फिल्म हो सकता है मर्जान? हाँ, एक्चुअली फिल्म मैंने देखा नहीं है. Again, I'm sorry, but the thing is, when I was researching, I was like, oh, these songs I know, right? And this particular director, she's given us some wonderful movies, Murjahan. Let me remind you that she's given some wonderful movies, known for a debut of Amir Khan movie. That's right.
अभिमान है तू, मेरी पूजा है तू, मेरा ध्यान है तू, तू देवता मैं पुजारन, सजना तुझ पे मैं अर्पण, तेरे गुणगान ही तो गाऊं जी मैं, तेरे गुणगान ही तो गाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है।
Well, ये फिल्म जो है उनके लिए डेब्यू था. I'm sorry, I got to take back what I said. No, her debut was not with Amir Khan. Her debut was this particular movie. And movie का नाम बता देता हूँ आप लोगों को. मेरे number to call here if you have anything to share about the director. Number to call 408-912-2479. Yes, Meenakshi ji 100% right. Give us a call here 408-912-2479. Just क्योंकि आपने ये मूवी का नाम पहचान लिया, आपको यहाँ पे कॉल करना ही पड़ेगा. 408-912-2479. कॉल करो मीनाक्षी जी.
ओ मेरी धड़कन में तू, मेरे तड़मन में तू, मेरी सांसों में तू, मेरे नैनन में तू, तू है तो चमके गजरा, तू है तो महके गजरा, तेरे बिना तो ना जीने पाऊं जी मैं, तेरे बिना तो ना जी।
And अगर सोचा रही वाह इट्स वेरी नाइस सॉन्ग, हु हैज संग द सॉन्ग? वेल बजन, ये एक मूवी जो है, क्यों बताओ, वेरी विद म्यूजिक की विशाल शेखर बजन, जावेद अख्तर साहब के लिरिक्स हैं. एंड यस सर, द सिंगर ऑफ कोर्स इज सुनिधि चौहान, एंड बीच बीच में मेल वर्जन आएगा व्हिच इज शेखर रवजियानी.
प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, चरणों में जो ना जगह पाऊं जी मैं, चरणों में जो ना जगह पाऊं जी मैं।
And number to call you 408-912-2479. Hello, namaskar, welcome to Women Directors Wednesday. Who's this? Hello.
हाय पैम पैम
पम पम, कैसे है मीनाक्षी जी? आज का टॉपिक कैसा लगा आप लोग?
एकदम मस्त हमेशा की तरह.
ओए होए होए होए, so sweet. And ये दीपा जी बोल रहे चेंज टू वुमेनिया वेडनेसडेज. हाँ, why not? But women directors करेंगे ना, why वुमेनिया always है? Women directors much nice better. तो आप बताइए हमें कि ये आपको मालूम था कि कौन है ये डायरेक्टर जिन्होंने ये फिल्म को किया है?
हाँ, डायरेक्टर के लिए तो मुझे सर्च करना पड़ा, बट
Very
मुझे
good.
मूवी का नाम पता था.
Arey, very good. You searched the director's name. That's what I want you to do today. The whole purpose is people should go search. Because some of the movies we enjoyed, right? I mean, actually,
Yeah.
we just don't pay attention to the movie makers, right?
Yeah, that's true,
Banner का
that's
पता
true.
लगता है. We know about. अगर कोई ऐसा eccentric person like Sanjay Lal Bansali, you'll know automatically. But how about the women?
Exactly.
Yeah, women decently आके अच्छा film देके चले जाते हैं, right?
Hmm,
तो ये
right.
film आपके लिए क्या? You saw the movie? Have you seen the movie?
Yes.
What is the movie name though?
Honeymoon Travels Private Limited.
हाँ, इसमें क्या था, लोचा क्या था फिल्म में, बताओ. What was the movie about?
लोचा सच कुछ नहीं था इसमें.
हाँ.
लाइक आई थिंक 5 या 6 मैरिड कपल्स और
हाँ.
सिंगल भी कुछ
हाँ.
ट्रैवल करने निकलते हैं, और ड्यूरिंग ट्रैवलिंग वो एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, कैसे उनकी जर्नी रहती है ड्यूरिंग द ट्रैवल. कुछ के ब्रेकअप हो जाते हैं, कुछ का कुछ हो जाता है. So the story is about all that.
Yeah,
Relationships actually, based
Yeah.
on a relationship.
Was it nice? Was it interesting? Was it like captivating? Was the storytelling great?
Yeah, you can say like क्योंकि जब ये मूवी आई थी तो थोड़ी डिफरेंट थी और जो मूवीज उस समय थी.
Correct.
तो तो वर्थ वॉच थी. वन टाइम तो एटलीस्ट आप देख सकते हैं.
No, one
और
time.
स्टार कास्ट बड़ी सॉलिड थी. शबाना आजमी थी, बोमन
हाँ.
ईरानी थे,
Yeah.
रणवीर शौरी
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
एंड अभय देओल. सो स्टार कास्ट काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग थी.
Correct.
So,
You're right. And-
obviously आप देखने जाओगे जब इतने अच्छे स्टार कास्ट होगी.
Correct. And actually, I didn't see the movie for sure because I still was not getting into movies at that time. But the point is, this movie, and I was going research on this particular thing, the story seems so nice. And actually,
Yeah.
I believe it's done very captivating, and people actually have, who have watched the movie, gave it good ratings, by the way. And that's what I was seeing on IMDb as well, that they have good rating for the movie. And tell me now, the director. Were you able to identify?
But the director's name is Reema Kagti.
Yes, Kagti. Kagti.
Yeah.
Kagti is the name.
Kagti, yeah.
Kagti, yeah, Kagti. So
Yeah.
yeah, and इनके बारे में आपको कब पता चला? Is it after the show today?
Yes, of course. मुझे मूवी का नेम पता था, डायरेक्टर का नाम नहीं पता था, तो मैंने गूगल करा. Then I get to know कि मैंने अभी recently गोल्ड मूवी देखी थी, तो
Yes.
that's the same movie she directed too.
Yes.
तो
And-
गोल्ड तो अच्छी खासी पॉपुलर मूवी है.
Well,
So
actually,
she has given a nice directorial movie. So
well, उनका तो
अब
actually.
याद रहेगा नाम उनका.
No, yeah, and guess what? Reema Kagti also, Kagti, actually, she actually has given us some really good movies. One of, if people don't know about this, she has a partner in crime also, as in somebody who actually she has worked very closely as well. Honeymoon Travels तो उनका ही था, of course, 2007 में आई थी वो. And one of the movies which I totally dig, I don't know if you have seen this movie. Amir Khan का movie जो है, I believe he does not repeat his on-screen roles, I believe. This is what they say. But after Amir Khan read a storyline of her script for the movie Talash, which is again
Oh,
her.
yes.
And he definitely wanted to do it. Because if you remember, Amir Khan actually did a role of a police officer in that Dhobi Ghat, is it? Which movie was that? Which was a total flop of his thing. Yeah, and he didn't want to repeat a police officer's role, but he made an exception for her because he loved the script the way she had done it. And I have not
Yes.
seen Talash, again, Guilty as Charged. I have not seen Gold, Guilty as Charged, of course. I have not seen Honeymoon Travels as well, but I know you have seen it. I have seen one movie where she is involved in, which is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara.
Oh yes.
I will talk about Zindagi Na Milegi again to probably next hour. But yes, I think she's pretty good. And storytelling wise, look at it. I liked it, man. I liked the way the thing was. And you are telling me the Honeymoon Travels very nice. And Faltu Angel was raving about Talash.
Yes.
Have you seen Talash?
नो, मैंने तलाश नहीं देखी है. मैंने गोल्ड देखी है.
Gold देखिए. Gold आपको Gold is a biopic, right? Wasn't it a biopic?
Yes.
And कुछ टिप्पणी आपका इसके ऊपर, उनके ऊपर, या स्टाइल ऑफ डायरेक्शन का?
Style of narration is quite impressive. How she narrated the movie, so it's quite impressive कि आपको बांध के रखती है कि अब क्या होने वाला है next. तो आपको वो जो एक मिस्ट्री फैक्टर होता है और क्यूरियोसिटी बना के रखती है. तो वो अच्छा है उनका बताने का ढंग.
Correct. And I'll talk about her partner in crime also in just a few minutes, but then, probably the next hour. Like,
Yeah.
I really want to play a song from movie Talash.
Now you have a huge list which you have to binge.
Oh, I trust me, I do have, and that unfortunately keeps on growing every time I go on air. You give me some
yeah,
ideas, and Rajit Saab gives me ideas, and everybody else keeps on sharing stuff, and I'm just okay. To-do list, both hai. So when I finally take a vacation, don't worry, I'll watch all those things.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yeah, no, I'm not as lucky as Father to take vacation at drop of a hat like how she has now taken right now. So probably when she comes back, I'll take a vacation afterwards. So big thing. But thank you
sure.
so much for calling in. Sundarega, because next time I have a few more directors, and of course the list is pretty exhaustive. I was able to dig up quite a lot of good directors, and they have some good movies as well, which I will talk about later on. Okay.
Sure, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you
Okay,
so
have
much.
a good
for
one.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
yes. And of course, but just storytelling jab aati hai na, to I should tell you one thing. Somehow women actually excel better than men is what I feel. Women tell good stories actually. Have you ever tried listening to them? They really tell good stories. But yeah, right now we're gonna go to a top of the hour break. But pehle I wanted to play the song for you guys because I think Reema Kadgi actually has given us good movies, and only sad part is why we don't have them giving us too many movies. Over a span of around 20 years maximum, they would do like around, if you look at it, she has given us around 6 movies. 7 movies, I don't know, 6 movies is what I saw. But of course, she's been here since 2007, almost 16 years. And that's like, to look at the average of a movie director, I think they can give more. And that means, I don't know, should the production houses start favoring them as opposed to Rohit Shetty's? I don't know. I'm not saying that. Just saying that, yeah, come on. When the talent is there, we have to support and we have to make sure we can actually bring them up. And not that they require the thing. They're doing the good job. They are getting critically acclaimed. Their movies are earning up good monies. That's a good thing. It's not like they are out there. And they have some good story ke saath kuch अच्छे गाने भी हैं. So here's one song for this movie which I really like. I want to watch Talash. Singer Suman Sridhar, and in this particular movie, the story is supposedly very similar to that of that movie of Bruce Willis, but they say it's totally differently treated. Kareena Kapoor along with Amir Khan in this movie. And I won't give out the plot because it's supposed to be a very nice plot. So if you haven't seen it, watch it. It's called Talash. And this is, of course, by, I think, Ram Sampath's music. Lyrics are by Javed Akhtar Saab. It's called Muskaan Jhoothi Hai.
ये है गुमराहों का रास्ता, मुस्कानें झूठी हैं, पहचानें झूठी हैं, रंगीनी है छाई, फिर भी है तन्हाई। कल इन्हीं गलियों में, इन मसली गलियों में तो ये धूम थी, जो रूह प्यासी है जिसमें उदासी है वो है घूमती, सबको तलाश वो ही, समझे ये काश कोई।
या बदजन मुस्कान झूठी है. From the movie Talash. A movie directed by Reema Kadgi. Kagti.
गुमराहों का रास्ता,
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't mean to butcher your name, but Reema Kagti.
पहचानें झूठी हैं, रंगीनी है छाई, फिर भी है तन्हाई। हल्के उजालों में, हल्के अंधेरों में जो एक राज है, क्यों खो गया है वो, क्या हो गया है कि वो नाराज है। ऐ रात इतना बता, तुझको तो होगा पता।
And of course, Banjan, I talked about singer, right? Singer is Suman Sridhar. A new singer, Banjan, new voice. And this film, I think there are a couple of movies, songs written by different directors. Ram Sampath ka ye tha. I think Vishal Shekhar have given the other song for this movie. The movie's name is Talash. देखा तो जाके देखिएगा Banjan. तलाश कीजिएगा, ऑनलाइन मिल जाएगा.
पहचानें झूठी हैं, रंगीनी है छाई, फिर भी है तन्हाई।
है, सच है समय का ही सब दोष है, धड़कन धड़कन एक गम रहता है, वो जाने क्यों फिर भी दिल कहता है, जी ले जरा, जी ले जरा, कहता है दिल, जी ले जरा, है हम सफर है हम नवा, आ फासला जी ले जरा. Hi, this is Vishal. You're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where entertainment just got hotter.
We hope you're loving the music. The best music with the best entertainment. You know, where it keeps getting hotter. And that's Radio The Hotties. And haan, main aapki Faltu Rani. Sunte rahiyega, there's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total The Hottie picks.
सपना जहां दस्तक न दे, चौखट थी वो आंखें मेरी, बातों से थी तादाद में खामोशियां ज्यादा मेरी, जब से पड़े तेरे कदम चलने लगी दुनिया मेरी, मेरे दिल में जगह खुदा की खाली थी, देखा वहाँ पे आज तेरा चेहरा है.
अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा, आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पैम पैम, an evening with पैम पैम. अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा, दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पैम पैम, an evening with पैम पैम. रेडियो का डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हॉटीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंसना हंसा, रेडियो के डायल तुम घुमा लो,
हॉटीज को तुम आजमा लो,
दिन भर की टेंशन भुला दो, जी भर के हंस लो हंसा. अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा, आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम, बोलो 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 पैम पैम.
हमको लगा लो
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है बिहारीज का साथी बना
सीने से हमको लगा लो
रेडियो का वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लो ट्रैफिक ये सर पे चढ़ी है बिहारीज को साथी बना लो अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा और तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम बोलो 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 पैम पैम अरे नहीं with पैम पैम हाथों में स्टेयरिंग को थामो
खुशी हो या गम मुस्कुरा लो
स्पीकर पे इनको लगा लो ड्राइव टाइम का फन आजमा लो हाथों में स्टेयरिंग को थामो
खुशी हो या गम मुस्कुरा लो
स्पीकर पे इनको लगा लो ड्राइव टाइम का फन आजमा लो ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम बोलो 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 बंधु an evening with Papa अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा हमारे जैसा रेडियो कहाँ मिलेगा भाई आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ रेडियो की एक रंगी शाम बोलो 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 बंधु an evening with Altu
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic. नमस्कार नमस्ते नमस्कार वनक्कम खुशामदीद अस्सलाम वालेकुम सत श्री अकाल मी कंदरिकी वंदनमो जय स्वामीनारायण जय श्री कृष्णा जय जनेन्द्र एंड ऑफ कोर्स हमें सारे इस्माइली भाई बदलों बोलेंगे या अली मदद एंड मौला अली मदद बलजन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के तरह मैं से फालतू बाबा एंड यस यहाँ पे आज का शो है वुमेन डायरेक्टर वेडनेसडे जहाँ पे वी एक्चुअली फीचरिंग द वुमेन डायरेक्टर्स ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा 100 साल हो गया बलजन 110 और 113 years whatever you call it हो गया है. And we are still struggling to see how we can actually have women be more active in Indian cinema, right? Not just like active as in wear track pants and run around in the for jogging or whatever. We're talking about the active, actually doing movies and everything, Balajan. Now, there is we actually have done a bunch of shows today, as it's 17th, right? Today is 17th. The whole of March we've been featuring women topics, and we're talking about Mahila March because it's supposed to mark the International Women Month or whatever we call it, right? So we wanted to see if we can actually feature that and talk about things which are like, which we wouldn't have probably known about had we not paid more attention to things like this, Parajan. So now, one of the things which we try to do with our shows is try to provide you enough information. Of course, for that we have to do a lot of research, which we do, of course. We love doing research, and we find about this and we share with you guys for sure. Now, if you know about these things, do call back and share with us. So we're talking about directors, women in the director's seat, Parajan. So that's what we're looking at. We're looking at women who are who actually have given us some wonderful movies. movies, you cannot say women, how will they do more direction and all? They actually are very good storytellers. And directing a movie is about telling a story. Yes, there is the script. Actually, you'll say yes. Oh, script to hai, screenplay hai. हाँ, script hai, screenplay hai, everything है. लेकिन everything comes together thanks to the director who actually envisions the whole movie, Bundajan. Now, I noticed how, because Mahima ji, who actually was our mentor and also one of the founders of our radio network, Bundajan, Radio D Hotties, she was a director herself, a wonderful director also. All her programs, people used to love it because of the way she used to narrate it, and she used to actually visualize the whole program in her head, and then it used to come out on screen, and it was a wonderful experience to see the thing happen and how the whole creativity process culminates, right? It's wonderful. So today we actually featuring a few of our female directors. हाँ यार, 2 घंटे में क्या feature करेंगे यार? There are at least around 25 directors, right? And yes, unfortunately, when we talk about female directors, very few come to mind. Now, I want you to give me a call right here and tell me the female Indian directors who comes to mind for you. यहाँ पे भी हाँ international भी there are quite a good number of female directors, but specifically Indian diaspora की बात करें, because हमारा show is all about the desi stuff, right? So we're going to talk about those things. So we're asking you, give me a call here and tell me how many movie directors come to mind who are female. And last hour, I asked a blanket question to every guys, and I asked you, when do you probably think Indian cinema started having women directors contribute to it? When I say contribute, I'm talking about providing stories and everything else, right? So I asked you the question, when, how early, all those things. Number to call here, 408-912-2479. I'll repeat the question, which is a blank question for the entire hour. I'll share with you guys eventually for sure. But if you have the answer, great, give us a call here, 408-912-2479. When was it likely Indian cinema started having female movie directors? सोचिए यहाँ पर कॉल कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. We do have a caller online right now. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम पैम के वुमेन डायरेक्टर वेडनेसडे में. Who's this?
हेलो पैम पैम.
हाय दीपा जी, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ. हमारी उमनिया कहाँ है आज?
अरे, she has luxury of फालतू बाबा, so she can take छुट्टी वुट्टी and everything. Don't worry. So, but don't worry, she'll come back.
अरे वो इतना मतलब वुमन डायरेक्टर है, टॉपिक है, और वुमन ही नहीं है स्टूडियो में.
अरे क्या? हाँ अच्छा, मैं कौन? अरे वाह, थैंक यू.
परसुरानी जैसा बोलूंगी.
So don't know,
ये गलत बात है, ये गलत
बात की बात नहीं है, ये मेरी बात है. I'm talking about, right? You think I'm not? Oh, so you're saying that I should not talk about women directors at all?
मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला.
तो क्या बोला आपने? यहाँ पे वुमेन ही नहीं है बोल रहे.
लेकिन जब वो रहती है तो और ज्यादा मजा आता है.
तो लेकिन अभी और मजा आना, लेकिन देखो नहीं है ना, क्या करे बोलो. What can you do about it? Right?
अच्छा.
कुछ responsible लोग होते हैं, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, तो चलेगा, doesn't matter, right?
हाँ, अच्छा.
तो देखो, if you say that I should not be talking about women directors, tell me, I will change the topic.
मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला.
But you just now said that no.
बेकार में मेरे मुंह, don't put words in my mouth.
I'm not putting words in your mouth. I'm putting thoughts in people's minds.
हाँ, कुछ भी नहीं, बहुत है वो, मैं निकालना चाहती हूँ.
अच्छा, निकालो, doesn't matter. देखो, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, I know more than women talking about women, the men should talk about women. That's what makes more sense, correct? Now I am recognizing. ना men और क्या काम करते हैं? नहीं, I am talking about the positive.
लड़कियों पे जोक बनाओ, बीवियों पे जोक बनाओ.
वाह दीपा जी,
सिर्फ वही मिलते हैं.
दीपा जी, आज
कभी क्योंकि लड़कियां बिजी रहती है काम करने में.
अरे बाबा दीपा जी, मेरी बात मानो, अगर जेंडर वॉर पे जाओगे तो men already have lost it. I'm talking about the fact of women's contribution to Indian cinema. Right? Correct. And women directors in specific. So, yes. I'm sorry, Faltoni is not here to all this particular wonderful topic which you want to hear a female voice, I understand. But मेरा आवाज भी सुनो यार, what is this? थोड़ा बहुत मेरा आवाज भी अच्छा है यार, मीठा है, क्या अभी सही में. And topic अच्छा लेके आता हूँ यार, अभी सही में इतना काम करता हूँ, फिर भी यार चलो, it doesn't matter.
नहीं.
Okay.
अरे अच्छा टॉपिक है आपको.
Hey, but I want to ask you. Let me ask you. Forget about all those things. Okay, let me ask you. Can you tell me, just without, be honest, okay? How many women? Okay, list out women directors. Let me see. आप बताओ, जल्दी बोलो. No, don't think.
मैं एक ही मेघना गुलजार.
And who else? Not one. I don't want one. I want.
एक और है उसकी.
एक और नहीं.
नाम याद नहीं आ रहा है मुझे.
Who all come to mind when we talk about?
दंगल का डायरेक्टर मिश्रा है ना, उसकी बीवी.
I don't know.
What?
I don't know. I'm asking.
Yeah. Dangal director.
So you're thinking. I don't want you to think.
Wife.
No, I don't.
She directed English.
अरे बाबा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? I understand what you're saying, but the thing is, if you were to ask, if anybody were to ask you, who are the female directors without you researching today about this topic, how many names come to mind?
हाँ, ये की आएगी मेघना गुलजार की.
That's all? Nobody else comes to mind?
मुझे उसकी मूवी उसकी मूवियाँ and her way of direction I like it.
Okay, now let me ask you a second question. Now, second question is when do you think did Indian cinema have a contribution by a female director? When? How early or when approximately? I don't want you to give me an idea. I doubt you will know the director. No?
Yeah. Madhubala directed.
So you're saying that Madhubala के time में ही एक direction मतलब women directors
I
आए
mean
थे.
she when she couldn't do acting, she did the direction during her end. मतलब जब वो बहुत sick थी तब उसको किया.
So are you
And
saying
even,
that?
yeah, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि they were successful, लेकिन attempts तो हुए हैं. But like you said, उतनी उनको कामयाबी नहीं मिली और नाम भी नहीं मिला. I mean maybe due to, I mean all I can think is like actor turned director, not somebody else, other like Meghna Gulzar and that Mishra. Her name is.
So here's what I'm
Mishra.
going to do. I'm going to expand your knowledge right now. Ready for it? So Indian cinema, right, started off almost 100 years ago, correct? आप बोल रहे हैं Madhubala, you're right. Probably she was one of the people who actually directed a movie as well, and there were also other heroines who did the direction. But if you look at it right, one of the first female directors to Indian cinema started off as early as 1920s.
Wow.
Yes, and her name was Fatma. Her name was Fatma Begum, and she actually was her first outing as director was with a silent movie called Veer Abhimanyu in 1922. And she actually gave a bunch of movies afterwards, pretty much until the 1930s. तक उन्होंने movies की थी, and after she retired after that.
Okay.
Yeah, and actually following her footsteps, I wouldn't say for her footsteps, but actually almost contemporary to her, one more person called Leela Chitnis. We might have heard this name. Leela Chitnis. She actually started off. She's known for the I think a few movies like Sadhana and Chaya and everything else. So I think she did a few movies at a time. And I'm talking about that time because it's not like a new concept which was there. They were there that time also. They gave us good movies and all. Supposedly they were. I don't know if they were fostered to be able to do the movies, but they definitely had had their share of doing movies that time as well. That's what I'm talking about. Well, coming back to the point right now. You talked about Meghna Gulzar, right?
Yes.
Tell me a project of hers which you liked. Which people will
मुझे
know.
राजी बहुत पसंद आई.
Correct. Razi.
Amazing movie. And I think her first movie was फिलहाल, जो उसने मतलब अच्छा किया था. I think even that was a hit actually. और उसमें गाने भी hit हुए, and she took up this very rare topic जो अभी भी नहीं दिखाते हैं मूवी में. surrogate mother के बारे में वो मूवी है. तो दो सिस्टर्स रहती हैं and सिस्टर्स के बीच में ही प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है.
What's the name of the
movie? It's a very nice movie actually.
Movie का नाम फिलहाल. Okay.
Filhal.
Was it her directorial debut?
I think so.
Okay.
And
So
yeah, title song इसका भी अच्छा है. And yeah, आशा भोसले ने गाया है वो title song. That's a nice song too.
So, you're right.
राजी के तो बहुत सारे गाने आपको पता ही है.
correct. And Razi ke alawa, she actually gave us some good movies. Dekho, even Meghna Gulzar, people agar aap Gulzar naam, yes, you're right. She is the daughter of the well-known poet Gulzar Saab, right? And she's the Gulzar and Rakhi ke daughter hai wo.
Correct.
And she, Deepa, you won't believe it. No, and some of these women, I've been researching for the past 2-3 days, right? The topic jab aaya tha na, and I've been noticing that they have given us some great movies over a span of 2 decades, and it's like, only a few numbers, maximum 6. That was the maximum of movies that were done. I don't know why, because of quality or what, because she, as you said, her debut movie was Filhal in 2002. The next movie she gave us was a wonderful movie called Talwar. Have you seen that movie?
Yes.
Talwar is a
Honestly, yes.
beautiful movie.
तलवार भी मैंने देखी है. Yeah, she always takes up these topics. Either they are not talked about या फिर woman centric ही करती है वो.
नहीं, that's fine ना. That's
I love her direction, like
yeah.
subtle ये रहता है थोड़ा
Correct.
grand commercial नहीं रहता, which I love.
Yeah.
And even for Razi, she's very nicely, and Alia has acted very well in this. And
So, one thing I've noticed is I think most of the people I've been talking about today have started as screenplay writers and then have gone into the story writing, and then because Filhal was her own story, by the way, and she also did a few movies. I think Just Married was her. And the next movie which I really liked was Talwar. Talwar was a very well done movie. It actually also won a Filmfare Award, if I'm mistaken, for Best Director.
No, I think Razi won a lot. Talwar अच्छा था. Like, see, the problem is like.
No, she won for Razi also. So
बनाने के time
2015 में she got nominated, I suppose, for the award of Best Director. But I think she won the award for Best
it
Director
was
with
a
Razi.
critic
Yeah.
award,
Yeah.
मुझे याद है.
Correct,
But
yeah.
why I'm not taking Talwar? If you talk about these three movies, तलवार मेरे लिए थर्ड आएगा, क्योंकि वो एंडिंग, क्योंकि वो रियल लाइफ में भी उस केस का कुछ ये नहीं हुआ ना, so she had to end it abruptly, so वो ऑडियंस पे छोड़ दिया उसने. That was like kind of ये नहीं लगा, but इरफान खान acted amazing in that.
Correct. And actually, no, मैं जब तलवार देखा तो I really wanted to watch another movie of hers, which came. She did come back after 2-3 years. She gave us Razi. It was a good movie again. And Razi का तो of course music direction also was wonderful. And एक और film दिया उसने बाद में, which you didn't talk about unfortunately, but I will definitely talk about, with which she wrote the screenplay for it. It was actually based on a true life incident called Chapak.
Oh yeah, see again, all
Chapak
female oriented movie करती है.
Doesn't matter, but why shouldn't that be a... But storytelling was there, right? The storytelling was there for sure.
No,
good,
it was nice. No, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ. I mean, good.
Yeah.
नहीं, कोई तो कर रहा है ना, वो woman centric, like she has taken up that as a. Now next one is that Dangal director Sanjay Mishra's wife. She directed. Right? What?
Why you have to Dangal director? I've got many more to go. Wait. और है बाबा. We have many more. And
नहीं,
of course.
उसने इंग्लिश बनाया ना, वो अच्छा मूवी है ना, इसीलिए मैंने बोला.
मालूम मैं अगला हुई तो उनके बारे में बात कर रहा था. I didn't want to give out the name because I want to see if our bandhus will know about it. And the person you're talking about, उनका फिल्म में आएगा भी, next बात करूंगा. लेकिन उससे पहले what I'm going to do, Deepa, is thank you for actually giving us a call here and making this show successful. And you get to choose Razi or Chapak. कौन सा फिल्म का गाना आपको भी प्ले करूं मैं, बताओ. Razi? Why? No Chapak?
मुझे राजी अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ,
पूछा तो मैंने बोला.
ठीक है यार, छपक क्यों नहीं यार? छपक में अच्छे गाने यार.
नहीं,
Hey, there's very
राजी
nice.
तो बहुत अच्छे गाने.
Hey, छपक में अच्छा गाना है. It is शंकर
तो
महादेवन.
तुम मुझे पूछ क्यों रहे हो आंटी बाबा?
अरे बाबा,
तुम्हें
पूछ
जो मर्जी आता है वही लगाते.
अरे बाबा.
मैंने फिलहाल का टाइटल सॉन्ग भी बोला. You can play टाइटल सॉन्ग फिलहाल.
Okay, I'll play Razi for you, don't worry, okay? I'll play title track of Razi. How about that?
अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, hey, come on. I'll play the other thousand songs also for you, okay? But thank you so much for calling us, Deepa. Have a wonderful evening, okay? Thank you so much.
Thank you, bye.
लगन की बाजी है, चोट भी ताजी है, लगा दे दाव पर दिल, अगर दिल राजी है, लगा दे दाव पर दिल, अगर दिल राजी है, अगर दिल राजी है, अगर दिल राजी है.
And of course, मैं बताया था शंकर सर लॉय का म्यूजिक डायरेक्शन बन जाए. गुलजार साहब की लिखाई है राजी के लिए. A very interesting movie, but if you haven't seen it, see it for sure. It's high time we had to see this. It's the story of a supposedly based on true life incidents, and a very sad story about a person who actually gets into espionage and it's a totally different life when somebody, kind of the unsung heroes of peace is what they have shown in this. I really would have I would have loved it if he had a different actor instead of Alia, but somebody else do it, because I felt that Alia Bhatt's role was not थोड़ा ये था कच्चा था. It was not very interesting, but the story was definitely good. I love the other actors in the movie. I don't know the names as of now, but handy. But yes, good movie to watch. Razi, again a presentation of Meghna Gulzar, and this song again, if you know the notice the voices, is Arijit Singh, but again music by Shankar, Ehsan, and Loy.
अधूरा आगे है मुकम्मिल माजी है लगा दे दाव पर दिल अगर दिल राजी है लगा दे दाव पर दिल अगर दिल राजी
And of course, Bajan, don't wait, Deepa. आपके लिए एक और गाना पेश करूंगा for sure. And you wanted to have the song from the movie फिलहाल, वो आएगा आपके लिए. Just stay tuned. लेकिन थोड़ा ये गाना और सुनिएगा. And if you guys didn't know about this particular movie, I was not aware of it. There was a role of a particular officer opposite Alia Bhatt, and that was played by Vicky Kaushal. And I sincerely did not expect Vicky Kaushal. In fact, just before that, I'd seen a movie of the guy in the movie Sanju. And Sanju में जो विकी कौशल है और इसमें जो विकी कौशल है, ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है बड़े. I'm not kidding, it was very interesting, and I was impressed by this guy's acting skills because he really totally lived the role in this movie Razi. अब ये गाना सुनिएगा थोड़ा और, but I'll be back right after this. And of course, Bajan, yes, that was a song from the movie Razi. Why I'm playing that song? Because that actually was a movie by Meghna Gulzar, and Meghna Gulzar has given us some wonderful movies. And today being the theme, keeping with the March ka Mahila March theme, Bajan, we wanted to feature the women directors of Indian cinema. And yes, bhale agar there was a time when the dark ages of Indian cinema, they all got eclipsed by the other so-called mediocre male dominant industry of directors. They were still around, and generally the reason I asked the question to be even our Deepaji also in terms of the music directors who have it, people will quickly talk about female directors who are generally the parallel cinema directors, Meera Nair, and all those people, like, the likes of Aparna Sen, all those people they talk about it. But commercial cinema, maybe we have a lot of female directors who have made their mark, and today's show is all about that. And here is the request by Deepaji, who asked us to play a title track of the movie Filhal. Okay, sorry Banujan, there was a little bit of mix up with that, but here you go.
जिंदगी ये लम्हा जी लेने दे ओ, पहले से लिखा कुछ भी नहीं, रोज नया कुछ लिखती है तू, जो भी लिखा है दिल से जिया है, ये लम्हा फिलहाल जी लेने दे, ये लम्हा फिलहाल जी लेने दे.
And of course, another movie of Meghna Gulzar, music by Annu Malik Bandajan, and voice तो पहचान लिया होगा आपने ना, आशा भोंसले की मधुर आवाज से बंदजन. इस फिल्म में एक्टर्स काफी सारे थे यार, सुष्मिता सेन, तब्बू थी.
मासूम सी हंसी बेवजह ही कभी होंठों पे खिल जाती है, अनजान सी खुशी बहती हुई कभी साहिल पे मिल जाती है.
Yeah, Banajan, that was a song from the movie, a title track of the movie Filhal Banajan. And yes, this again, I told you, Meghna Gulzar ka production tha. It's almost 2002 ki baat hai Banajan, start of the millennium, by the way. Well, if you look at it, 2000 was the, I would say, point where we had a lot of changes in the industry, Banajan. We had the new blood coming in. We had the Akhtars of the world, the Gulzars of the world, then next generation giving us movies and all. And some of them really were good movies, actually. Now, going forward, now here's a song I'll play right now. Deepa actually, one of our bandhus, she actually called and she alluded to this particular song. And I was hoping she would not, but she already talked about it. But she did not give us the name of the person of this particular, who actually has given us this particular movie. Director of this movie again is a female director. सोचो और यहाँ पे आप कॉल करो 408-912-2479. Deepa, you too can give us a call here because you did talk about this particular song and this particular music director. कौन है? Call कीजिएगा 408-912-2479. One more thing I know is the fact that Deepa's favorite song, because she'd asked about the song some time ago also. So here you go, Deepa, the song dedicated to everybody out there.
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय, जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो बाय 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 बाय. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय.
Love you zindagi.
And of course, Banajan, this particular movie, very nice movie, Banajan. Lyrics जो है बहुत अच्छी है. ये कौशल मुनि की lyrics है Banajan, and a female director for sure, and a female lyricist, and a female music director as well, Justine Royal. And I hope it is Justine Royal. Yeah, I think Justine Royal's voice for sure, and I'm sure it is her tunes itself, Banajan. And Aditya, you're right about that. There are many female directors, but my point is just this: there are so many of them. Why so few movies? Yeah, you might say there are more male directors, but I also see that there are not many worthwhile mentioning male directors. But हाँ, लेकिन उनके तो बहुत सारे movies हैं यार. How come we're not pouring money towards these wonderful women who are actually giving us the wonderful movies? Now, ये गाना सुनेगा बंजल. Back after this, I'm asking you who this director is. Deepa gave us the song, was not able to get the name of the director. If you know it, give us a call 408-912-2479. Deepa, you too can give us a call if अगर आपको फ्लैश हो गया कि कौन है डायरेक्टर.
हाथ छुड़ा के मैं तेरा चल दूं. मैं थोड़ी सी मूडी हूँ, तू थोड़ी सी टेढ़ी है, क्या खूब ये जोड़ी है तेरी मेरी. आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो, कह दो मुस्कुराहट को हाय 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 हाय. जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो, कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 बाय.
Love you zindagi. Love you zindagi. Love you zindagi. Love me zindagi.
लगता है किसी को इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं है कि कौन है ये Banajan. Who's this director who's given us a nice, I don't know, have you guys seen Dear Zindagi? I saw it, yeah, in spite of having Alia Bhatt in the movie. I did go watch it, Banajan. Yeah, I went not knowing the director. Really, seriously, I told you, right? Unfortunately, I'm guilty as charged. I actually have not I'm guilty. I say this. I have not watched many of the movies of these female directors, Banajan. I only realized after I saw the movie that, and while I was doing research, that hey, this is also a female director. This is also a female director. I also was under an impression that इतना सारे नहीं है, and इतना है भी तो बहुत कम ही है. But काफी सारे film directors हैं जो female movie directors हैं. But unfortunately, they're not doing many. In a way, it's good. In a way, it's bad. In a way, it's good because they actually are not just not picking any kind of story. They're really picking really meaningful stories. Like Dear Zindagi was a story which I really liked because it talks about the mental health. And as you know, we are Radio D Hotties are big proponents of this mental health, and that's something which really want to talk about. And yes, that movie is there. But tell us, who is this? Who is the director of the movie? कहीं पे भी देखा जाए तो even if any kind of publicity you see, you will rather see the music director के नाम रहेगा, singers के नाम रहेंगे, lyricists के नाम रहेंगे, लेकिन movie director का नाम कहाँ पे आता है? But उनका ही तो creation है भाई, उनका ही तो vision जो आप देख रहे हैं screen पे, because of them, it is what they have envisioned, and that's what we got to give credit to them as well. So एक और गाना लगाऊंगा जिसका the movie direction, a very different kind of movie. And आज जो भी गाना आप सुन रहे, जो भी फिल्मों को मैं ले रहा हूँ यार, all are different movies, not like the masala stuff which you would see of Salman Khan or Shah Rukh Khan. It is like, really meaningful movies, and I'll tell you why I really love this particular, researching for this particular topic. And I'll also tell you what was something which is interesting and why we need to have diversity in people who are directors in the industry. बंडजान उसके बारे में बात करेंगे थोड़ी देर में, लेकिन उससे पहले एक गाना सुनिएगा from another movie which the same director has done, and Deepa talked about this movie as well. So here you go, enjoy the song, very nice song. सुमानंद किरकिरे के lyrics है बंडजान.
Manhattan, Manhattan, Manhattan.
Music by Amit Trivedi बंडजान.
अंबर को छूता जहां है, चलता फिरता सपना है, पल पल चलती है ये राहें, रुकती कब कहाँ है.
Manhattan.
And of course, बंडजान, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आवाजें बहुत अच्छी है भाई, किसकी आवाजें हैं बंडजान? क्लिंटन सरेहो एंड बियांका गोमेज की आवाज है बंडजान. म्यूजिक बाय अमित त्रिवेदी, लिरिक्स बाय सुमानंद किरकिरे, डायरेक्टेड बाय, अरे आप बताओ, कॉल करो 4089122479. बंडजान चकमा खा गए. वैसे तो इन्होंने काफी सारी मूवीज दी है हमें, and we'll talk about all those movies बंडजान. Well, no, I don't want to talk about all those movies. उन्होंने करीब probably 2 or 3 movies is what they've given us. In fact, her own debut was with this movie which I'm playing right now. ये इनका डेब्यू फिल्म था मेरे ख्याल से. और was it the other one 2000 में ही इनका भी एंट्री हुआ था actually. So I'm wondering, well, she also is a very, she's not a very prolific movie maker, but उनका एक और फिल्म का मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा जो उसका उन्होंने डायरेक्ट किया था, and ये तो of course फिल्म का नाम आपको मालूम होगा ना.
Diesel Dior, Okie Dokie, Gap and Bloomingdale, Louis Vuitton, 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 Moschino, Kino, 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 Valentino, Tino, 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 Tino.
खुशियों की कानाफूसी, मस्ती में ना कंजूसी, कुदरत हुई है मेहरबान. अजनबी सी खामोशी, ठंडी सी गर्मजोशी, दिखती है तन्हा तन्हा.
Well, इन्होंने जो भी फिल्म दिए हैं हमें has been good presentations actually, and one of this one, and English नाम है इसका, अगर आपने पहचाना नहीं तो गाने को, it's श्रीदेवी starring movie बंडजान. It was a very nicely said story. In fact, इसमें उनका ही story है, उनका ही screenplay है, उनका ही direction भी है. Well, it doesn't stop there. In fact, she supposedly made entry into the industry somewhere in 2000 में ही उन्होंने एंट्री मारी थी, 2001-2002 में, बिकॉज आई थिंक ओ मैन उसका एक प्रोडक्शन था जहाँ पे थी शी वाज असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर इन द मूवी आई सपोज. बट there is one more movie which she supposedly has done, and Let's see if you guys can identify which movie it is. Now give us a call here, 4089122479, 408 912 Now who is this particular director we're talking about? Inka kya, what is the, I think Deepa talked about the connection to Bollywood also. Call कीजिएगा 4089122479.
खुशियों की काना पूसी मस्ती में ना कंजूसी कुदरत हुई है मेहरबान अजनबी सी खामोशी ठंडी सी गर्म जोशी दिखती है तन्हा तन्हा सब बेजुबां है सारे साथ तो है पर जुदा है शहर को नजर का टीका तो लगा दो
I think people don't know about this. मैं बता दूंगा मजा, don't worry about that. Number to call again is 4089122479. If you want to know more about who the director is, मैं बताऊंगा कि इनका नाम है Gauri Shinde, and Gauri Shinde actually has given us just around a few movies, 2-3 movies. Has been part of a bunch of other movies. She has co-produced the movie Shamitab, if you remember this particular movie. This is the R. Balki movie, Shamitab. And Gauri Shinde is one of the people you got to look out for because she's got some good movies. I don't know why, somehow, the way I'm seeing it right now, Banjan, there's not much of, exposure given to these, or rather projects which are being given to these directors. Or probably unless until they put the money in and they would do it, they would not have any movies coming out, I suppose. But again, we as our audience, we can demand this kind of movies, and that's what I'm trying to focus on today, Baraja. And all these movies I'm talking about today, storytelling is excellent. If you look at it, all these ek se badhkar ek film hai, and all the movies I loved watching. And unfortunately, the majority media, what do you call the the big media, whatever firms, have not promoted these movies the way they should be promoted. And hence, I think the audience probably don't know about these movies and have not actually followed these movies as well. Unless until the big name attached to it, like Sridevi, of course, all the fans of Sridevi will definitely go watch the movie. They would know about that. And other movies like, Dear Zindagi, Shah Rukh Khan ka tha, but people did not like it because they said, oh, it's a different kind of movie. But I really appreciate Shah Rukh Khan for actually taking on the movie. It was a very nice, intelligently done movie, Banajan, so you want to go watch it. And all the movies so far are present to you really are thought-provoking movies and actually are a very nice narration of story as well. So it kind of tells you that, when women actually do when women direct movies, they probably are very good at this because they already are having a different wiring of their head. So basically they say, right, women are wired differently. They get to chance to, they kind of express very well. So, and that's what I think is the plus point for having women directors. And we need to have the kind of women directors in the industry as well. So all the people listening to us on Facebook right now, you can actually chime in over here, 408-912-2479. And I have a request coming up on Facebook. And request is to play a song from the movie English for English again. And okay, Deepa, okay, I get that you actually talked about the director as well, but you don't get the name. But I will definitely play it for you. And this is a song which is pretty popular. And I don't know, this particular song in the movie got so popular. People were like, when this released, and I was, we, as you know, our radio DHOD, we have countdowns and everything, and we did countdown based on what you people were talking about. ये film आई लेकिन theater में तो चली नहीं, लेकिन उनका जो गाने थे, एक से बढ़कर एक गाने, and they were actually having at least around 8 weeks of presence at the countdown, Birjan. And this was the time of pre-COVID when we used to actually have the movies in theaters, and people used to ask us. We used to have a group which actually used to, ask us and find out. We had a focus group of bandhus to say what song they like to listen to, and this particular song was on the top 10 for almost 8 weeks. I remember this very distinctly. रिफ्रेशिंग म्यूजिक बन जान अमित त्रिवेदी का म्यूजिक है, लिरिक्स बाय स्वानंद किरकिरे।
जरा बहको जी बहको खुशियों के बाजे ढोल, खुशियों के बाजे ढोल।
आंखों में इसके इशारे बड़े नखरीले नखरीले नखरीले, सपनों के लाखों नजारे सारे रंगीले रंगीले रंगीले। बढ़ाई चली शर्माती घबराती वो, पिया के घर इठलाती बल खाती वो, सुरमई नैना छलकाती छलकाती वो, पिया के घर भरमाती सकुचाती वो।
All right, Banajan, let's do this right now. Let's go into the next song, which I'm going to play for you guys. And I saved this towards the last, actually, because I just wanted to know, because when you talk about movie directors, yeah, this particular name will definitely come up in people's mind. I can't think of anybody else. In fact, when we thought of this particular thing, to be honest, this particular person was on our mind. As one of the people who definitely will feature. But then when I went deeper into this thing, I realized that, hey, inke alawa bhi aur bahut sare hain. And kind of tells you, like, you know, how popularity and how, the movie clout actually works, and how some of them actually, all of them are very good in their own right, and some of them are commercial. At the same time, some of them are commercial. At the same time, some of them are not very commercially oriented movies, but definitely are telling a story. That's important, right? But this particular person has found a balance of having the commerciality and also telling a story. Now, who is this person talking about? उनके फिल्म का गाना लगाएंगे, सुनिएगा, and यहाँ पे कॉल कीजिएगा बना जान 4089122479 408-912-2479। अगर आपको इनके बारे में कुछ टिप्पणी करनी है तो कॉल कर सकते हैं आप 4089122479। One more movie director who is the offspring of a lyricist. Yeah, second round.
हर दिल की अपनी ताल है, अपना ही एक राग है। हर दिल की अपनी धड़कन, अपनी ही एक आग है। जज्बात पिघले पिघले है तो क्यों ना हो, ख्यालात बहके बहके है तो क्यों ना हो। हर दिल धड़कने दो,
धड़कने दो। But the thing is, this particular director has a sibling who also is a director come an actor, but she's more of a director and come actor, less actor. She's not actually come on screen, but always has had her presence off screen or behind the camera, I should say. And inka jo hai, in the previous hour, I actually talked about another director, Rima Kagti. Rima Kagti. I hope I'm getting the name right. Rima Kagti. Unka jo, I told about the fact that there was a partner in crime, and actually this person is actually has co-written wonderful movies with Rima Kagti. And Talash is one such movie where she has written along with her. And एक और फिल्म है जिसका मैं आपको गाना लगाऊंगा थोड़ी देर में, लेकिन आप ये कॉल कर बताओ कि ये कौन है भाई डायरेक्टर? Who is the director? Number to call 408-912-2479.
लोग क्या कहेंगे, छोड़ो सारे ऐसे तुम बहाने। धड़कने दो।
Alright, we do have a caller waiting on. Namaskar, आपका हर्ष फतेह पैम पैम के Women Director Wednesday में. Who's this? Hello.
हाय आलतू बाबा।
Hi, कैसे हैं आप?
बढ़िया।
बढ़िया, बस उतना ही बढ़िया और कुछ नहीं?
और कितना और क्या चाहिए?
अरे what? Seriously, when Falguni is not here, you guys are totally. No, when Falguni is not here, all you ladies are like totally meter down, yaar. What is this?
What wait it down? I never said anything.
Yeah,
I just
you went
called
over,
especially
yeah.
because you're alone today.
Oh, so?
In support of me.
Oh,
Really? एक तो call करो,
Aditi.
उसके ऊपर सुनो.
अरे लेकिन आप सुन के ही कॉल किया ना एक्चुअली. हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ?
आपने सुन के ही कॉल किया ना.
हाँ तो फिर और सुन के ही तो कॉल करते हैं. आप कैसे कॉल करते
नहीं
हैं?
आपने बोला कॉल करो फिर से सुनो बोला ना आपने तो इसलिए बोला. No, it's okay. It's a bad joke. Anyway, hey, but very good. Aditi, good to have you on the show today. And let's see what you have to say. Were you able to identify who this female director was?
Zoya Akhtar, no?
Zoya Akhtar. Very good. So, what is your tippany about her movie making skills or whatever movies what she makes?
She's pretty good. She doesn't have a very, like, she's made few movies, not a lot.
When compared to
Just a
the list
couple,
I'm
I think.
featuring today, right? She actually has got more movies than the people I'm featuring today.
Acha?
Yeah, you know, because all the people I featured have maximum like around 4 or 5 movies, but Zoya has got more.
So, the only ones I know of hers is Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Dil Dhadakne Do, and Gully Boy.
Yeah, but Luck by Chance, Bombay Talkies.
Oh, those were all her. Did she like assistant director or was she
No,
like
I think she
proper
was.
director, director?
She would have co-directed. She co-directed, I think, Talash with Reema Katki. I'm not sure about that thing, but definitely she at least has around 5 or 6 movies. But that's a sad part, you know. Aditi, I was talking about this when I was doing research in this particular thing, right? उनकी तो female directors, like, we have quite a few, and they've been in industry for almost two decades, right? And but still, each of them have given us only around, on an average, around 5 or 6 movies.
Yeah, I mean, you can chalk it down to not getting investment or maybe women. I don't know.
Yeah.
Some of them actually you don't want to see a lot of movies of.
Trust me, I
And
have pushed some names
most
down.
of the well-known ones have actually made art movies more than commercial
Yeah,
movies.
correct. There's some people actually have moved below the list. I didn't want to actually. I know I will eventually feature them in some of the movies, but I really have pushed them down because I don't want to bring them up right now. But probably in part 2 I'll bring those movies out. But yeah,
It's like as there are bad male directors, there are bad female directors.
Correct,
Just
that's
like being
fine.
a woman doesn't make you a good director.
that's
but,
right. Agreed. I totally agree on that, and I second you on that thought also. So hence, I'm just trying to pick some women who are really pretty good. Yeah, you might say nepotism, whatever, but it doesn't matter. Even in case of Zoya Akhtar, the clout is what's getting her all the movies, right? Her production company and her connection with the so-called heroes, like, you know, connection, like the friendship. Yeah.
Yeah, but nepotism in directors, especially when it comes to women, there aren't many. Like you could say it's Gulzar and Zoya Akhtar, and the only other person comes to mind is Konkona Sen. But
You don't consider Pooja Bhatt as a
They
director?
have not come up from nepotism.
Hey, you
like
know,
Farah Khan.
but Aditi, you don't consider Pooja Bhatt as nepotism director? No?
अरे पूजा भट्ट तो director consider ही नहीं कर सकते हो यार. She's just dabbled with it. You know, if you look at people
Hey,
like,
Saldak too,
you
she's
know,
got like
Deepa
4.
Mehta and
Yeah, it's true.
Meera
That's
Nair,
true.
you
Yeah.
think about that Reema Katki that you talked about. I
Yeah.
love her movies.
Oh, I know.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I was like, you know, I didn't know. I watched the movie without knowing who it was. And after I do the research on this thing, I realized, oh my goodness, these are the movies I've been liking. You know, that's
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah.
And also, I mean, nepotism or not, Kiran Rao, she is amazing. I love Dobby Ghat.
But
It was a very movie, but actually it was a brilliant movie. If you watch it, like the second time I watched it, I was like, it's actually a good movie.
Dude, I tell you seriously, I didn't watch Dobby Ghat because I got people like, you know, even our Faltoni told me like, nah, it's a boring kind of movie. I was like, what, really? Okay, I stopped watching. I didn't want to.
It's not a movie made to please the audience. It's a movie. It's one of those you know, that category of movies where the director goes and says, you know, I'm going to make this movie for me and not for the audience. And you watch it like that. So, it's not an entertainer. It's a pretty hard-hitting movie. So I can see why people don't naturally like it.
But even Kiran Rao
Okay,
actually
by the way, don't forget to mention Nandita Das because she's like amazing
No, I
and
will
cannot
not.
be not mentioned.
Yeah, I cannot. I was going to have her the next, but that's okay. Yeah, you're right. Please talk about Anita Das. What movies have you seen of hers and what you think is really worthwhile mentioning?
Nandita Das, God, it's hard to choose which movie of hers is amazing because there are all her movies are brilliant, yeah.
Yeah,
Have
she's
you
a writer also.
watched Firak?
Yeah, Firak she was a writer for she wrote the movie, right? Wasn't that story by her only?
I believe she wrote it based on real incidents. Yeah.
It was written by her. It was a very nice thing. A very intelligent person. So very well read, and in fact, again, even her, not many movies by her. Though she's given us some good movies. Not many.
But again, see all arty movies, you know? Like, I love arty movies, but you're right, like, most of the directors, there are commercial directors, but most of the well-known ones are actually the ones who make very arty movies.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
Very interesting.
They can make movies. In fact, there have been people like these who have actually given us wonderful movies like Meghna Gulzar and everybody else. They've given us arty movies. मतलब हाँ message है लेकिन they're commercially थोड़ा inclined. मतलब the mass appeal तो है थोड़ा बहुत because the way they present it. That's why I liked all the I liked Talash, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I liked also. Gully Boy was one of my favorites actually. I was going to finish the show with this particular song.
Superb movie, na?
Yeah. I really liked it, and I think Ranveer Singh was awesome in the movie. Alia Bhatt, I'm sorry, she really has to prove herself for me. I'm not actually. I'm sorry. I'm really I'm tough on her, but anyways.
She's trying very hard.
Yeah.
But I think I don't know. Sometimes I feel like she has plateaued with her talent.
Yeah, I don't think you can't actually.
Is much better than majority of the actresses. So. Okay. I mean, the talent quotient is pretty low among actresses, if you ask me. For the latest ones.
Yes, I agree. Yeah. I don't know what you call as an actress anyways nowadays. Unfortunately, just like heroine material is what they call them. So I'm not big fan of that thing. But yes, thank you so much.
You're right, though. Lately, there have been a lot of commercial movies coming from women. Lately, there are like that, what is that, Dear Zindagi? I think that is also a woman only.
Yeah, I talked about Dear Zindagi. Dear Zindagi was by, what's her name? Shinde.
Oh, yeah, the same. Yeah, Shinde, the one who made
English
the Sridevi movie. Yeah.
Unka bhi dekho, even she has, she also has only a few movies. Again, everybody I featured today actually have had maximum around 4 or 5 movies only. And that's a sad part. And I really want to see.
They're also very young. So
Correct.
You never know.
Correct, but the thing is, but they have given 20 years of their life into the industry, man. I would imagine at least they would give us more.
It's hard. They start off like in, I know a lot about the industry because I actually studied cinema as, an extra subject back in school, and it is hard to get through. I mean, the fact that these women even are getting people to invest in movies, I don't even know how they manage in a predominantly patriarchal industry, right? Like,
correct. Agreed.
मतलब 4-5 पिक्चर के आगे आदमी बढ़ता है, तो it's like amazing for women.
Very true. Yes, and that's why we need to encourage more. And we need to ask for more as
end users. They need an audience, you're right. Yes. Like, audience should watch these movies. And I don't think the audience cares that Aadmi ne banaya or if the movie is good, they'll go.
No, I told you, right? I'm guilty of that. I just went because the movie was good. But then I realized that, okay, these movies actually were done by female directors, and I would really want to go and patronize that if possible. Little bit more. Like, agar the movie hai to female director, definitely go watch it. I love Chapak. I loved all those movies which we talked about today. And more are going to come up next show as well. Probably I'll bring it back again before we close out the month. But again, Aditi, thank you so much for calling us. I'm going to close out with a Gully Boy song for you. How about that?
Yay! Yes. Awesome.
And again, thank you so much for calling us. Zoya.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye-bye. Thank you. And of course, I hope you enjoyed the show as much as I enjoyed presenting to you guys. In fact, I enjoyed actually putting the show together as well, because I just realized that like so much of talent is there, and how women actually excel in the way they present the whole story for Azerbaijan. Because yes, as I told you, right, they have the superpower to be able to automatically, narrate a certain way. And that's what I liked about all the movies I presented to guys today, Bananjan, and hopefully bring back the part 2 of this particular women's directors Wednesday Bananjan for you guys before we close out the March. Lekin ye gana sunega from Zoya Akhtar's movie Gully Boys.
एक नंबर सारी बात मेरे गली में देखो तो इधर मेरे गली में घर छोटे छोटे लेकिन जरा देखो दिल में है जगह बेशुमार दे पुकार कभी भी गली से मदद देने को तैयार गरीबी चलेंगे लेकिन फरे भी करेंगे नहीं जले भी तलेंगे लेकिन हटेली रुकेगी नहीं जहाँ भी चलेंगे बोले हटेला झुकेगा नहीं क्यों क्योंकि हटेला है मेरी गली का तरीका सलीका सिकेला है रोशन शौक के अवली बवाली है रौनक बॉम्ब की शौली कमाली है सोबत बहुत ही मोहब्बत वाली है दौलत शोहरत जाके कमा ले वो बंडा बच्ची ममाए क्रिकेट पकड़े पटरी पर वच्ची वच्ची फंसाए क्रिकेट करवे मर्जी पर छपड़े तेरे छपरी देवे इसकी टोपी उसके सर आड़ी करवे जो पीछे पंचाबी उसकी बस्ती पर
आपका बजान इसमें आवाज जो है रणवीर सिंह का है, डिवाइन एंड नीजी का है बजान, एंड ऑफ कोर्स यस कंपोज्ड बाय डिवाइन नीजी ऑन द बीट एंड राइट बजान। ये इसी के साथ बोलने वाला आप लोगों को हैव अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग, विल सी यू ब्राइट अर्ली टुमारो मॉर्निंग विद गुड मॉर्निंग बे, गुड नाइट, शब्बा खैर, प्यार भरा
केरे मनी मनी सब कुछ नवी नवी छोकरी साथ तेरे झड़ती मुझे घड़ी घड़ी करते कुछ नहीं बातें सिर्फ बड़ी बड़ी बिछा दूं पत्ते तेरे खिलता नहीं रमी मम्मी मैं और आप साथ गाने में कोई कमी नहीं गस गली जोंड जली दम लगी लगी हाथ घूमी साटा लगे भागे मम्मी मम्मी मुश्किल नाम की लड़की है जिस पे मौसी भड़की है दूसरी लड़की कड़की है
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music, Banajan, for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on